So again, coming to fasting, traditionally India has always believed in fasting. We have our Ekadasi and which we follow every 15 days. We have also festival related fasting, season related fasting. There's so many reasons and beliefs that exist in relation to fasting, which I think for generations we have followed in India, and it has worked very well. So, as long as we're doing it the proper way, it does help. Because this, I mean, in fact, I think the autophagy, even the discovery or discovery, I should say, or explanation of autophagy even got a Nobel Prize for the person who who researched on autophagy, right? So, yes, it does help to a great extent. And coming to intermittent fasting, there are again 2 3 different types of intermittent fasting. Um, how do I put it? It's yes, it might be beneficial in the short term. There are a lot of studies being done on intermittent fasting, and not just weight management, but also type 2 diabetes and heart disease and all of that. There is, it is believed that there is better gut health with intermittent fasting. The gut microbiome improves with intermittent fasting. There's autophagy, there is better control of blood glucose, there is better control of weight and all of that. Yes, it does help. So there are studies which show the positive of it, but there are also studies that show that it may not help when done over a long period of time. So that is why our ancestors always did fasting only for a short period of time. I mean, it was not for a long period of time, right? So I think as long as we follow that, even if it is intermittent fasting in a short period of time, it will help. But please do that under the supervision of a qualified healthcare professional, not on your own, because even in that window of 12 hours or 10 hours or 8 hours that you're eating, the foods have to be well balanced and nutritious. So if you say you're doing intermittent fasting and take all kinds of highly processed and junk foods in that 8 hour window, it's not going to help at all. So it has to be done methodically and in a proper manner.